This video is about how to perfectly edit the particular letter or number on iPhone keypad. While typing a message, sometimes the keypad gets stuck on, or even sometimes we can't move the cursor to the particular letter or number. To solve this mess, there are lots of ways to do that, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. Okay, when you're stuck while typing, just hold the space bar like this. Then you will be able to move the cursor freely like this. Then you can easily place the cursor wherever you want to type or edit like this. And release the space bar and edit like your wish. That's it. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps me, subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.